Hey everyone, it's Jamie from JamieDelaneWatson.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Canon 50mm f1.2 L series lens. So I absolutely love this lens. It was one of my biggest purchases about 5 or 6 years ago in my business, and I have never regretted it. As you can see, it's quite a hefty lens. I don't know if that helps you kind of see the different sizes there. So it's a massive lens, it weighs a ton, but it's absolutely beautiful. The 1.2 aperture means that it's incredible in low light. I use it often at really dark receptions after the sun's gone down. I can bump it right down to 1.2. It's beautiful even at up to ISO 6400. And what the great thing with it being a 50mm is I can bring my shutter down to about 1/50th of a second without there being camera shake. The images that it creates are just absolutely beautiful. I'll put a few of them on the screen for you right now. It's definitely one of my favorite lens purchases ever. So if you don't have this lens in your arsenal yet, I would definitely recommend grabbing it. If you're starting out and you can't afford the price tag quite yet, there's a 50mm 1.4 lens that's quite a bit cheaper, and of course not near as nice, but it gives you a good idea of a good starting point for a 50mm lens, and then eventually you can upgrade to this beautiful lens here. So I hope you like this lens review. See you next week.